Going to see how to fix Fortnite remove from match due to internet lag. So first go to Epic Game Launcher and go to the Fortnite and need to verify this. So yes, right now is installing or the verifying. Be patient for a few seconds. It's checking if have any abnormalities in the game software or not. Yes, it's checked. There's no abnormalities. So come back and go to registry. Yes, and go to our current user. Yes, click it and go to software and go to Epic Games. In this, you can see Unreal Engine is there. Click it and identifiers that delete it. No problem. Don't worry if you delete the identifiers. There is no issue for that. So after go to control panel. Yes, click it. Yes, click it, and you have see the network and internet settings. Yes, in the network and internet settings, go to adapter settings and which you're using. You're using internet or Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, go with Wi-Fi. Go to properties and in IPv4 is that click IPv4 and go to properties and in this you need to enable the use the following DNS server address and 88888844. Name it the address and click OK. Yes, and come back and check if the issue still remains. Then go to settings. Yes, in this network and internet settings tab, go to that and VPN is enabled or not. If you are using any VPN, close it. Sometimes it's caused by using VPN also. Then go to CMD and run as administrator. And in this, you need to type IP config. Yes, plus DNS. Yes, type this and click enter. And NetSH pinsog reset and click enter. And in this, after you need to click NetSH int IP reset. This is the important thing. You need to check all the things are okay, then exit it. Yes. And after the next step, go to run. And in this, you need to click local app data, or else write it local app data percentage local app data percentage, and go to Epic Game Launcher. Yes. And in the saved, click go to saved, and the web cache is there. You need to delete the caches. So don't worry, the web cache is not so if you not even delete means the Epic Launcher is running in background, so you need to end the task of Epic Game Launcher and after delete it. There is no problem for deleting. So thanks for watching.